Hello, everyone. In continuation to our strategic management topic, in this we will understand about digital strategy. To start with, the evolution of digital strategy. Invention of transistor happened during the year 1947, wherein electronics was revolutionized, enabling smaller and faster devices. During this 1940s to 1950s, early computing started, wherein vacuum tubes came in, punch cards came in, magnetic drums came in. Then between late 1950s and 1970s, wherein we find that mechanical and analog to digital happened. During this time, mechanical systems were replaced with the digital technologies. Analog to digital conversion happened by enabling digital signal processing. Then during 1950s to 1960s, mainframe computers came in. That is large-scale centralized computing happened. During 1960s to 1970s, mini computers, that is smaller, more accessible computing came in. Then during 1970s, we have computers era, you can say, 1970s to 1980s. Personal computers came, like IBM PC, Apple, all these things came. Then job creation happened during this period, wherein the jobs are created for programming, software development, information technology support, etc. Then this information age emerged, wherein digital data storage, retrieval, dissemination, all these things happened. So 1990s to 2000s, we find the digital strategy evolution, wherein internet and World Wide Web happened in the year 1990s. Global connectivity happened, online presence felt, and during 1990s, even e-commerce and digital marketing happened, online transactions happened, targeted advertising happened. Then during 2000s, we find the new channels for engagement through social media and mobile devices happened. Then came data-driven decision making, wherein we found big data and analytics happened during 2000s. We can consider the 2010s to present as of now. We can consider this period as modern digital strategy period, wherein cloud computing happened on a scalable basis, on-demand infrastructure happened, artificial intelligence and machine learning happened, IoT devices, that is connected devices, sensor-driven insights happened. Then came cyber security, protecting digital assets. Then came digital transformation, integrating technology into the business operations. These are all happened. So because of all these things, there is a huge impact on business and society by way of increased efficiency, improved communication, enhanced customer engagement, new industries and job opportunities happened. Global connectivity we could feel, data-driven decision-making started happening. We'll understand now about digital transformation versus digital strategy. Digital transformation, if we consider, it encompasses organizational change, cultural shift, and also technological adoption. So it started focusing on three areas. One is customer experience, and second one is operational processes. How do we bring in the process efficiently, and how do we automate the processes? Business models innovated. Some sort of innovation happened in that area. Then digital transformation involves entire organization requiring cross-functional collaboration, and it drives the business cultural changes, embracing innovation and agility. Outcome of this digital transformation has become your sustainable competitive advantage and also increased revenue. Digital strategy started concentrating on leveraging technology for business growth, and it focuses on developing digital capabilities, not on culture, focuses mainly on technology. Primarily concerned with business model innovation, and for that it uses technology to enhance customer engagement, improve operational efficiency, and also drive the revenue growth. So the outcome you can say out of digital strategy is increased competitiveness and improved market positioning. So for example, if we consider a bank, for them, the digital transformation can be like a bank revamps its customer onboarding processes, integrating artificial intelligence powered chatbots and mobile apps. Digital strategy, if you want an example, then it can be like an e-commerce platform which implements AI-driven product recommendations. So that you can consider as an example for digital strategy. So the sequence of implementation will be like first digital strategy. So you develop your digital capabilities, then digital transformation where you integrate technology, change culture and processes. Now we'll understand about some of the pertinent questions for an organization's digital transformation. So the first question, if we see, does digital technology change the business we should be in? That is basically you try to align with your strategy. Means you can say this is a question related to strategic alignment. Then how could digital technology align with our core competitors? That also can be a question which is related to your strategic alignment. Then should we expand or contract our business portfolio due to digital opportunities? So these three questions, you can say it is aligning with your strategy or strategic alignment questions. Next, you can create questions for your value creation. One may be, how could digital technology improve the way we add value to our existing business? Then second question, which is related to value creation can be, can digital technology enhance our product or service offerings? How can digital technology streamline operations as well as reduce costs? So these three questions we can consider as creating value, means value creation related questions. Then we can also generate questions based on customer focus, like could digital technology change our target customer? Does digital technology affect the value proposition to our target customer? How can digital technology enhance customer engagement and experience? So these three questions, if we consider, these are all focused on customer. So customer focused questions. Next, we can also put up questions based on competitive advantage. How can digital technology enhance enterprise capabilities that differentiate us from our competition? That is one. Then, can digital technology create new revenue streams or business models? That is another question which is related to competitive advantage. Third one can be, how can digital technology improve our supply chain and partnerships? So these three questions we can relate it to competitive advantage. So these are some of the pertinent questions for an organization's digital transformation. So answering these questions will help the organizations to clarify digital transformation goals and objectives. Then it can identify the areas for improvement and opportunity. It can enable you to develop targeted strategies for successful transformation. It can align your organizational culture, structure, and technology. And also it can measure progress and also adjust your course. So these are some of the pertinent questions which will enable you to answer those, help your organization to answer such questions. Let us move on to the next, which are common elements of digital strategy. So first one is choose a leader, means so that you get a clear direction, accountability, and also a decision making. Second one is attack versus defend, which means proactive or becoming defensive. Attack, we can say like innovate, disrupt, and capture new markets. Defend, we can say like protecting existing market share, optimize operations. These are some of the defensive approaches. Third one is to take a measured approach. Assess the new technology's potential impact, and then you may able to say whether the new technology will really complement or grow the current business. Then the fourth one is future proofing, which is nothing but anticipate and adapt to emerging trends. So these are some of the common elements of a digital strategy. So by considering these elements and implementing it, definitely we get benefits of enhanced customer experience, increased revenue growth. We will have a competitive advantage and also can do a better decision making. Let us go with the next one, 7 layers of digital transformation. First one is about data aggregation, wherein you started collecting data from various sources, and then you ensure the data quality and integrity. Then you may leveraging your Internet of Things, social media, and other data sources. The second layer maybe is our data management, wherein you do your data organizing, storing, and governing data. Then implementing data warehouses, then and ensuring data security and compliance. The third layer will be workflow automation, where you automate repetitive tasks and processes, enhance efficiency and productivity. The fourth layer is about process component, wherein you apply algorithms and business logics. Then you implement decision management systems, thereby enhancing process optimization. Layer 5 will be your platform interface integration, where you integrate digital systems with core systems, ensuring seamless data exchange. Then in layer 6, which is end-to-end processing, you ensure error-free transformation, ensuring audit trials and compliance. The last layer will be front-end software about implementing responsive and intuitive interfaces, then delivering user-centric experiences. So these are the 7 layers of digital transformation. So overall, this will benefit you by improved data utilization, enhanced operational efficiency, enhanced customer experience also. And also you'll be able to do better decision making. Next is key tactics for successful digital transformation. First one is about innovation. You encourage experimentation and risk taking in this. Encourage a culture of continuous learning. Collaborate with startups and the ecosystem partners so that you can develop a clear innovation strategy. Next is digitization, where you convert your analog data to digital data. Means automate all the manual tasks, convert physical processes to digital. Then you implement a digital documentation, thereby enhancing your data accuracy and accessibility. Third one is digitalization, digitalization. Thereby, you convert your old technology to new technology. You upgrade your legacy systems. You may also implement cloud computing. You may leverage artificial intelligence, machine learning, and Internet of Things. Then integrate emerging technologies. The fourth tactics is digital transformation. So you align your digital strategy with your business goals. You develop a clear transformation roadmap, establish cross-functional teams, focus on customer centricity, and then monitor this progress, what is happening with your key performance indicators. So these are all your key tactics for successful digital transformation. Next is big data. It is basically a massive collection of data which grows exponentially, exceeding traditional management tools capabilities. So the characteristics of this are the volume, enormous data size will be there, and then the velocity, which is about rapid data generation and processing happens at a high speed. Then variety, diversified data formats as well as sources. Then you say variability, where diverse data, you find some inconsistency in the data itself. That is also a characteristic. Apart from this, since you are extracting insights for informed decisions, you can also consider value as another characteristic. Some of the benefits for this are, we can say business can utilize outside intelligence while taking decisions. It will enable you to improve your customer service. You can able to identify risks to the product or services, whatever you are into, in advance, and it will give you a better operational efficiency. Some of the best examples for big data is stock exchanges, where you have a transactional data. If you consider healthcare, that is also a big data because you have huge medical records. Genomic data will be there available. If you consider e-commerce platforms, there you find customer behavior, transactional data will be there. So this is about your big data benefits